What's going on, guys? My name's Alex, and today I'm going to be going over my actual trading setup and everything that I use to day trade in the stock market every single morning. So people actually ask me all the time what my overall trading setup looks like, and one common misconception is that people think you need some big, fancy, and expensive, like 5-monitor setup just to trade stocks, and you really don't. That's the purpose of this video, and to be completely honest, when I first started trading, all my trades and everything I learned about the stock market happened on that laptop alone. And as my trading progressed, so did my setup. And to be completely honest, I did not like my old trading setup. It was kind of a bunch of things thrown together, like an old computer that was on its way out, an old TV I didn't use, and an actual good monitor I went and bought, but that was probably the best part of it. So I took this time during this lockdown and this pandemic to actually redo my entire setup, and that's what I'll be going over today. Okay, so before we jump into that, I want to go over my actual trade with you guys this morning. I finished trading around 11:30 a.m. It is now 12:49 p.m. and I traded one trade on gold this morning for $268 even in profit. Am I happy with that? Honestly, not really, but green is green, and it was a slow Monday overall, so I really can't complain. So you can see that big run on gold right there. That's where I profited. But as you guys know, I like to track all my trades. So we'll go over here in my stock trading notebook. We'll get that opened and we'll see the exact entry and exit. Okay, so looking at the chart, you can see gold had a bit of a run right after 10:30, as you can see right around here. And that is the overall run that I profited on this morning. So if we move over to JNUG, which follows gold directly, this is the trade that I took where I made the 268 this morning, and I'll go over that with you right now. Alright, here's today's chart on JNUG. It actually looks like it's making some moves right now that would be a pretty good trade setup, but I am done trading for the overall day. I really don't see much happening in the afternoon, so we'll just call it here. Anyways, looking at my actual trade, I bought 200 shares of JNUG at 101.54, so you can see that run right here. It's a bit sloppy, but what I saw this morning was it was building support right here and doing nothing but consolidating at the SMA line, and I was watching for it to make a move in either direction, whether that being up or down, that I could profit from, and that was right here. So I saw the support was building up, the MACD was unfolding in favor of JNUG, and I just took this trade. So 101.54 is right around here between these two candlesticks. I continued this built momentum, and as soon as it started slowing down right around here, it looked like it ran into a resistance around 102.97 or just around 103 in general, and it started to pull back towards the EMA line, which is when I sold all 200 shares at 102.88, so right around here. So I pretty much sold at the very top, and I bought low, sold high, and that was the overall goal of this trade for $268 in profit, and I'll take it on today being a Monday. Okay, so now I just want to go over my actual trading setup with you guys. I just picked this desk up from Staples. It's nothing fancy, but like I said, this setup does get the job done. Okay, so starting down here with my actual computer, I have a Dell XPS gaming PC with a couple of mods done on it, like the graphics card and the overall memory by Micro Center before I actually bought it. That's where I picked it up from at the beginning of quarantine. And I just love this computer. I have no complaints about it, and it's everything I need. Next up, I have the Razer Chroma keyboard, Razer mousepad, Razer limited edition mouse, and a blue snowball microphone for videos and calls. Okay, so next up I want to go over the broker that I use, which is E-Trade. It's a great trading platform. You do not have to use it. You can use whichever one you want, but this is the one that I recommend and I will continue to use. And also, the two monitors that I use are two Samsung 27-inch curved monitors, and they're great. I have no complaints about those either. Alright, so on this wall I have a whiteboard right here, which I use to write down some of my trading watch list or anything I use to run my businesses. It's literally crucial. I'll have a whiteboard in every office of mine, but yeah, that's just that, and it's simple as that. Anyways, moving over here, I have a Wall Street sign that I hung up as a studio prop, which I really like, but as you can see, it came in the mail dented, which I really am not happy about. Alright, so another crucial part of my setup is actually my laptop and my cold brew. So what I'll do with my laptop is I will open it up every morning and I'll follow the news on certain stocks just to see like what's moving, what's going on, and I'll actually pull up my group chat and talk to a community of traders in there to see what we're trading or what we're watching throughout the overall day. And I like to post all my call outs and alerts in that chat. So if you guys are interested in joining that, that's free. That will be linked in the description. And yeah. Alright, and that's about all there is to my trading setup. And like I said, it's nothing big, nothing fancy. It gets the job done, and it's what I use to trade in the market every single morning. So I know there wasn't a lot of value in this video. I just wanted to go over my new setup since I just did it. And there will be a lot more value in my videos to come regarding trading, investing, or anything of the sort. So subscribe for more value, and I'll see you guys next time.